So, the last time you were here, I did a video talking about pricing and the one major pain point that affected me. I was happy to find that I wasn't the only one. While one of my students learns to make my American buttercream here, I would like to discuss it. I mentioned that the right price can be something scary to implement, and everyone agreed with me. I received so much feedback, like bakers saying that they gave up and now only offer their services to regulars or they just bake for their families. Other bakers said that they went ahead with updating their pricing but had lost a majority of their clients they worked so hard to keep. Damn. The comments kept coming in every day, and as I went through them, I realized yeah, maybe the problem isn't the actual pricing. Because here you are with your methods and your systems, you're updating your pricing, increasing or decreasing them when needed. But the real issue is losing clients as a result. I have been through this as well. I've had one time clients who returned and then ghosted me because my prices had changed. I've had 2 to 3 time clients respectfully tell me they can't afford me anymore, and new, fresh clients who said that they loved what I did, but I was simply out of their budget. What you must remember with this, and it's something I constantly tell myself, there is nothing wrong with your pricing. I'm saying this obviously assuming that your pricing matches the services you provide. Your products look good and they are placed to sell well. If not, then maybe it's time for you to go back and work on your craft so it represents your pricing and your positioning properly. I tell this to my team a lot. If you are making something, you must remember people eat with their eyes first. And when they buy from you, they're not actually buying that cookie or that cake that looks so good. They're buying how it makes them feel. They already know that that frozen cake is going to blow their child's mind and she'll probably be the talk of the town. Or that cookie, it's for their cheat day and they know it's going to hold them over until the next one. And that is satisfaction. Now, when you combine that with pricing, the question becomes value. Does your price match the value they have for what you're selling? That's why having a target market is so important. For example, I know a portion of my clients are into fitness and they enjoy that lifestyle. With that, I already know I'll most likely see them once or twice a year. They might order a bento cake to celebrate a win or a birthday, or cookies for a cheat day. It doesn't mean they can't afford me, but because of their lifestyle, they don't value cake as much as the next person, or me, whose blood is probably 50% sugar. So there's automatically a limit to how much they're willing to spend. Then you have family orientated clients. Their value is in creating something that will be enjoyed and remembered, something beautiful to look at and even better to taste. Their value is memories. And I've also learned the person ordering isn't always the person paying. But if they are, there will always be a cap. So it becomes your job to make sure they understand what they're paying for or to give them reasonable options. Remember, I said reasonable. There's a lot I could say about this just based on what I've experienced over the years. But my main goal has always been to serve, to make sure that me and my clients both end up happy. I didn't always get it right, but when I did, I made sure to take note. And now I'm sharing it, hoping it helps you in your business journey.